Hi, to count steps on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, first thing we need to do is to locate Samsung Health app. So for that I'm gonna swipe up to enable my app drawer and go in Samsung default folder, and yep, here it is. If for some reason you don't have this app, you should go in Play Store. Here use the search bar and manually enter the word health. And after that, you should scroll a bit to find Samsung Health and simply install it. Now let's open it together. I'm opening it for the first time, so we'll need to agree with some permissions. Let's tap more, then continue. And now we are waiting till it would be loading a bit. And here we would need to either agree with all, or we can simply disagree, so remove the check marks and then tap next. So let's tap next button, and here as you can see we got some permissions, so let's tap continue and allow each of the permission. Don't worry, this is a legit app, so don't worry about your data. Now select your focus, for example overall health, and we can also switch to exercise, but I'm gonna choose overall health and tap next. Now after that we need to agree that this app will be using our location, and now we can allow access to alarms and reminders. So for that we need to tap settings, here tap allow permission and simply went back. And after that you would see this tab on your screen. You can go in my page. Here check your account, tap on the three dots, then go in settings, and here you can actually synchronize your data with Samsung Cloud. So if you're in the future gonna switch to another phone, the data will remain still. So just tap here and then agree. And now let's go back. So I accidentally closed the app. Let's go back in it, and here we can actually see the steps, active time, active calories, and so on. So you can scroll through workouts. Let's tap here, and now we can check our daily activity and also steps. And if you scroll a bit more, you would see additional, just separate steps tabs. So by default there is set up 6,000 steps per day, but you can change it if you tap on the three dots, tap set target, and here we can switch to, for example, 10,000 steps per day. So let's just swipe up a bit and save the changes by using this back arrow. And now all of your steps per day will be represented right here, also calories you burned and kilometers. And here you got steps by time of day, so you'll see your data right in this tab. Here you can compare your steps, and you can also switch between dates by swiping left or right on this panel. And after that we can add the steps widget to our home page. So for that let's just press and hold it, and now we need to select widgets. And after that we can already see this steps widget in recommended, but if not, you can just swipe down till you see the Samsung Health, tap on the arrow, and here choose steps. So then add this widget to your home screen. Now you can resize it as well, like that. And now let me show you that this thing is working. So I'm gonna just make some steps with my phone and return to show you the result. And now I'm back. I just walked around the room for about 30 seconds and I made 28 steps, so this is actually working. You can tap it and immediately access Samsung Health app in this steps tab. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!